Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add a container box onto your Wix website. So container boxes are a good way to group items together or to group elements together onto your Wix website. So when you move them across your website, they will move as one unit. As opposed, if you don't have a container box, what will happen is that you will need to move the elements individually around your website. So for example, I have three elements. So for example, I will create a text right here onto our website. I will make this as key, and I'll just make this bigger. Oops, sorry, like that. Then I'll change the font size. Then I'll make it bold, and I'll generate another text. For example, I just copy and paste it, and then I will put on sale. Then I'll change the color into white. Oops, I'll change the color into white. So just highlight it, and then do the same for the other one. And then we want to add a picture. For example, we'll go to the media page and I will look for a picture of a ski that is a vector art. Then I will choose this one. Then I'll add this to the website. Change the color of this into white. And then now we have our three elements. So if we don't have a container box, as I said earlier, we need to move this around one by one across the website. So, but if we will add a container box, we can group them together. So we'll just click on add elements, click on box, and then we'll choose this box right here. Make sure that you are in the container box section and then choose your desired container box. And then we can choose this one. And then we now have this onto our website, and we will now drag and drop our elements on the container box. So for example, I want to put this picture of a ski inside the container box. I will just drag and drop it and make sure that attached to box displays on the screen before you release the image or the element. And then now we have our picture of a ski inside our container box. And then we can do the same for the others as well. So for example, this one, this ski text, we want to insert it into our container box. Then we'll also insert this sale element into the container box. And then now, when we move them around, we can now move them as one unit. If you want to remove items from the container box, just simply drag and drop them again. And then now, we have removed our picture from the container box. Then we'll add it again. And then, if you want to change the look of your container box, you can just click on change design, and then you can do so as well, and then just explore different features for customizing the look of it. You can change the size, and then that is it. So I hope you learned how to add your container box onto your website, and thank you for watching this video.